At Community Playthings, our love for children is at the heart of everything we do. With your nursery in mind, we design and manufacture quality solid wood furniture and play equipment that will last. And while children come first, we also try to keep your staff's needs in mind during product design. All our furniture comes fully assembled with a 15-year warranty and delivered within 10 working days. Our items are adaptable and flexible, ready to meet every need, including those we now face during the current coronavirus crisis.
Children play and learn best in a beautiful environment that allows them to be secure, comfortable and undisturbed. At Community Playthings, we have the furniture and the layout expertise to help you create the perfect environment for your nursery. We have completed thousands of projects to date. Roomscapes is our system of shelves and panels which can be used to divide a room into various interest areas. This modular system can begin with just one shelf, but can grow to become a divider for a focused area or a small cozy space. No tools needed. Roomscapes posts simply connect to shelves and panels, and hidden wheels can be easily flipped out by staff to help move your furniture into new positions. This is particularly useful in pack-away settings or when moving shelves full of blocks. Our solid birch shelving comes in a variety of styles, with a wide range of trays for all your materials and loose parts. You can also choose between several backings. The display back has the further option of a mirror, chalk or clear cover to protect artwork and to allow for cleaning and disinfecting. Roomscapes panels are available in bamboo, clear, translucent, rice grass and display board. A key focus for many settings now is how best to set up an existing space to allow for social distancing between small groups. Roomscapes naturally helps you divide your room from a wide open area where children like to run and shout into cozy corners and appealing niches in which children can focus, learn and play.